Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 30th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at how the markets did today. Well, it was a huge day on Wall Street. The Dow rips past 24,000 and closes 331 points higher. This is after news that Senator John McCain said he's going to support the latest tax reform bill. So that obviously brings it a lot closer to getting the votes they need, and the market loved it. The S&P 500 was up 21.5 points, while the NASDAQ futures were up 49, and the Russell gained almost 2 points. Bonds were down slightly, down 42 cents at the close. Gold pulled down about 9 points. This despite more weakness on the dollar. Let's have a look at the dollar index chart. And there you go. There's more weakness there. If you look at the weekly chart, here we are, significant downward momentum, looking like we're rolling over. And we could easily get down towards the 90 level on the dollar. Here, if you look at the monthly chart, there it is. And right in here, right near the 90 level is where major support comes in. There's a bit of support before that, but major support comes in right around 90. So we could easily see that here on the dollar. Now, the dollar did show some strength against the Canadian dollar, but against most other currencies, it was lower today. Now, obviously, things have been extremely bullish. And when this type of thing happens, and you're looking for new trade setups, you will find a ton of them, all pointing mostly in the same direction. And so when you're trying to compare one to the other, there's a couple of very simple, very easy things you can do to really separate the average ones from the ones that have a much higher probability of success. Let's have a look at the chart of ISRG. Obviously, it's been trending nice and strongly here. So if we thought it was going higher from here, one of the things we can do to confirm that this is a trade that gives us a high probability of success is to look at two other higher time frames to confirm that A, we have the same type of trend in place and that we have momentum. And by momentum, I'm looking at the slope in the 20-period moving average here. You can see it's significant on the daily. If we look on the weekly, there it is. Trend is in place. Momentum is in place. If we look at the monthly, there you have it. Trend and momentum. So the higher time frames confirm the move happening on the daily. If you're trading intraday, for example, on a 5-minute chart, you could use the 15-minute, as well as the hourly chart to check to make sure that trend and momentum are intact. Another simple thing you can do is simply use that slope on the 20. Compare one to the other. So if you had a trade setup that had momentum like this type of slope, but you had another one where momentum was pretty much sideways, it'd be a no-brainer decision. Always go with momentum. When you are trading with trend and momentum on your side, half the battle's already won. So those are two of your closest friends when you're trading, trend and momentum. Always make sure you have both for any trade setup you are about to take, long or short. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.